2x4. It goes down on the bottom, and it goes all the way across. There's the door jamb. Goes all the way across to the other side for a bottom seal. Then I just put a 2x4 in there that I cut 45s on, screwed it down, come up at an angle to my door jamb. Okay, I connected the door jamb with a little piece of metal, 4 screws, a little bit of glue. I glued all that together and screwed it. Then I tie wired. Just used some tie wire and some screws. And wired in the top just to hold it in place. It's solid. I mean, it doesn't move. Not bad at all. And that's it. I just did that to the top. And just put a little brace on the side here. Just a place to put some plastic. Nothing really holding it, but it stays right there. Yeah, a couple screws in here, right there, from the outside. Pretty simple. I mean, you know, nothing real. So, but it's strong. It doesn't move. I mean, it does not move. And that's it. Then the door just closes like any other door. That's it. Just used a couple stainless steel hinges for the door. Like I said, I don't even have the top filled in the middle there. Just keep some ventilation going. But my plastic stays right on there. I did have it taped on there, but it doesn't need it. It just stays right there. So I got the sides screwed down. I wrapped the plastic and screwed in and just pulled it tight. And I have some tarp over it right now because I'm not using it. I want to keep the sun off it and make it last an extra year. You know, keep the UV light off it. But that's it. Nothing fantastic. But it's solid. I mean, the door is solid. It hasn't moved. It still closes fine, opens fine. And it's been over a year, maybe 2 years that I've had it. So you can see that corner from the outside. There's the bottom corner. Just goes over to the door through. But nothing fancy. Really nothing fancy at all. But just screwed the plastic where I could, you know, and obviously just to the wood. And that's it. Like I said, it's open, but it just stays right there. It's underneath the overhang. So we got what, 8 inches overhang. So nothing there gets wet, no water gets in it. Use green lumber on the bottom. It's doing fine. The other end, built pretty much the same way. You can see the 2x4 in there going down at an angle. But it's got the same setup in there. And this side I just put metal and closed it in the whole way. That's where I stack my leftover glass. But yeah, I just used whatever I had. Steel works great. Keeps everything dry.